Welcome, Great Hopes. We are looking at the Mpumalanga June examination 2023. In this video, we are looking at question number 2, the cash flow statement. But I've actually moved to 2.2, question 2.2, Kula Limited. The information was extracted from the accounting records of Kula Limited for the year ended 28 February 2022 and 2023. Prepare the retained income note on 28 February 2023. Okay, let's start by doing that and then we'll move on. We'll proceed like that. Okay, 2.2.1, prepare the retained income note. So we are going to start by doing the retained income note. When you are doing the retained income note, by now I know most of you are familiar with this note. We start with the balance brought down. Okay, the balance at the beginning of the year. The balance at the beginning of the year is the amount which we will find. Okay, we've got information A and we also got information B. Okay, retained income, extract from the financial position. Retained income, we are given the opening balance. Our opening balance is from 2022 is 520,000. Okay, so we record the 520,000. And then after that, we have to record the net profit after tax. The net profit after tax, which we have to calculate, because if you look at information A, we are given net profit before tax 420,000, and then the income tax is 30%. So to mean that the net profit after tax, after minusing 30%, will be 70% of this amount. So we are going to say 420,000 of the net profit before tax multiplied by 70%. Okay, if we multiply, we are going to get something like 294,000, which is our net profit after tax. Okay, after the net profit after tax, we also have got information that is given on C. Okay, bullet number 2, 5,000 shares were repurchased on the 1st of December at 2 rand above the average price per share. So in this note, in this instruction, we are already given the amount that we are going to use in the retained income. When you are doing the retained income note, you use the amount that is above the average share price, and it is the amount that we are already given. How many shares? 5,000. So it simply means we are going to indicate repurchase, and then we are going to say 5,000 shares multiplied by 2 rand. Okay, which will give us something like 10,000. And remember, it's negative, is it? Repurchase is money going out. Okay. All right, what else do we have? Okay, the other item that we have is dividends. Dividends. We have got dividends. Okay, the dividends. Let's look at the dividends. What is it that they are saying about the dividends on D? A total dividend of 195,000 was paid and declared for the year. So we are already given the paid and declared total. So it is the amount that we record here, 195,000, is it? That is the total. But below here, we know that we have got a paid dividend, and then we also record a declared dividend. And then after that, of course, that's when we can record now the balance CD, or the balance at the end of the financial year. All right, fine. So if we are given the total for the dividends, and we also want to know the paid and the declared, let's go back to the information that is given from the extract from the balance sheet. Okay, the amount that is shown in 2023 shareholders for dividends, 70,000, indicates our declared dividend. So our declared dividend is the amount that is given at the end of 2023. So it's how much? It's 70,000. We are going to indicate 70,000 here. I'll even indicate here that is the amount from 2023, 70,000. So it's easy now for us also to calculate the paid dividend. We're simply going to say 195,000 minus 70,000. We are going to remain with 125,000, which is our paid dividend. I hope you have understood this part clearly. And once we have all this, then we are done. Now, what is only left is for us to find the balance at the end of the year. We will start by 520 plus 294 minus 10,000 minus 195,000. And the final amount is going to be 609,000. Okay, that is all. That is all on the note for the retained income. Okay, I hope my explanation was well understood. Thank you.